number 1. Didn't start until 1 o'clock. Marking a fair amount of bait and a few fish. You guys are sitting. All year, I don't think. There's at least one here. We'll let him go. This one grabbed it with about 6 inches of line in the water. He followed it right in and gobbled it up in the boat. Little fight. About 5 pounds maybe. Frisky. We'll get him off, try to catch something big. Caught one off to the side of a hump. Cast out seconds. That was on I was trolling. This is a pretty good fish, I think. Didn't even look funny. Didn't like a walleye. I.e. no fight. Just dead weight. But I think it might be hooked funny. On a spoon. Come on, let's see what you are, please. The last one I got is bass. It's bass. Oh, big bass too. Wow. Beauty. On a spoon. Get him in. There's the lure. Probably a 18-incher. Fish number 5, again on the spoon. It's so damn rough. You gotta use something that gets down in a hurry, or you never know when you hit the bottom. Whoa! Pretty sure it's another bass. Come out. Oh, not very big either. Maybe a 15-incher. Get him in. Off. I think it ain't rough. Think again. Where's Mike's big boat when I need it? Number 6 coming in. This one was right by the boat. And the bass. Whoa. You don't like the sun. Nice one there. Ooh, hooked him in the eyeball, it looks like. No wonder he's upset. Get him off. Number 7, right under the boat. I marked a few before. I'm marking them now, but there's one down there anyway. Whoa, another dandy there. Right in the lips. Oh, that's a big one there. That is a big one. On that little spoon. Look at that beauty. We'll weigh him. It's fun. Let's see how much he weighs. There ain't none down there under the boat right now, so I'm not missing out on a whole lot. .7. 3.7 pounds. We're going to see how good my new batteries are in this mess. Yeah, it was 12 miles an hour was the maximum. I think it's a little more 12. But long as I'm catching the fish, I'm out here. I'm going to stay. I'd have quit early if I didn't start catching them. Look at this mess. Some big ass boat went right by me, like, honest to God, 10 feet away, going wide open before. And I'm the only other boat on the lake, and he has to about run me over and swamp me. Going duck hunting. Idiot. Well, I put on my new secret bait because they quit biting on my spoon. Guess what? Caught one. Pretty nice one. Show you that new lure, my secret lure. Mikey doesn't have any of these. And he don't know where to get them either. There we go. Look at that. Another nice blade bait. Bass. Whoa! Popped her right off. Look at that beauty, huh? Got that little spinner on the tail. Next cast on the secret lure. My buddy Mikey likes to cop me, so every time we go, I always have to have some new lure that he doesn't have. And invariably, I catch some fish on it. So when he gets back, oh yeah, son. He gets back here, I only have 2 of these, so I'm not going to be too generous about sharing. Look at that. Ate that blade bait up. This one, I was working on my other rod. I had this just sitting. Oh, and he got off. I had it just sitting in the rod holder. I hooked one. It got off though. Fish number 12. This one's on a Bunker City ribster. Well, make up your mind, fish. Nice big bass again. Bit twice. Nice one, since I missed him the first time. Number 12. Number 15, right under the boat. Get him in. Good for you to see them. Yeah, there's 2 more down there too. Oh, son, that is a puerco there. The net on that one. I'm going to lose him. Oh man, come on, get in here, baby. I'm going to take a picture of you. Oh, get off. Get off. Ah, he's mine now. Oh, is that a big bass? Oh, son. Oh, God. That may be the biggest one I ever caught out here. Holy cow, is that a fish? Holy cow. Look at that beauty. I am telling you, that is a big fish. Woo! I gotta get a still picture of this one. We'll weigh them and let them go on a regular old ribster, Bunker City. Boy, that's a big fish. Well, I'm throwing my secret lure again, and where did this guy come from? A bottom feeder. A little too big to eat, though, I believe. Get him in and... That bass was 21 inches, 5 pounds, 5.25 pounds. So that'd be 5 pounds, 4 ounces. And I almost left before I caught it because the wind died down for about 2 minutes. I was going to go to one of my, quote, good spots, but glad I didn't. They quit biting on all my other stuff, so I went little, like I always do. Put on a grubster, Bunker City grubster, first cast, another fish. I sore mouthed them all, I think, on this hump, but another big bass. I tend to that. Start with big baits. You can fish them faster, and then when you slow down, I go to littler stuff like this. Ah, come here. Wow. There it is. On the grubster. About a 16-incher. Let him go. Number 18, fish. Good length of day. Still using the grubster. Biting on it pretty regular now. Number 22 coming in. Ah, got off. Didn't even get to see him. Bummer. Another one on the grubster. This is fish 26. I'm getting a bite just about every cast. I was able to go down to a 1/4 ounce jig head, and that's made a lot of difference. Oh, it's another big one. I was using 1/2 ounce when the wind was howling. And you just don't get as many bites, I don't think, with that heavy jig head. Get this one in, and I got to get to the house here pretty quick. Sun just about on the horizon here, and I got a ways to go to get home. 26. But hard to believe when they're biting this good. Another 17-incher.